Hello! Welcome back to Mustard Temper Dreams. I am Neha and today I am making one of my favorite Indian desserts, Gajar Halwa. Made from the most gorgeous red carrots, Gajar Halwa is India's favorite winter dessert. And that's why Gajar Halwa is not just a dish. It's an emotion, and when you eat it, it goes straight to your heart. Now let's go make some hot Gajar Ka Halwa. Gajar Halwa is made using red or desi carrots, which are seasonal and usually only available during winter. Red carrots are much more sweeter, and their texture and color are more suited for making desserts. Well, you could use the regular orange carrots to make Gajar Halwa, but it just won't be the same. So do make the effort and try to get some red carrots from your local Indian grocery store. Trust me, you won't regret it. So today I have 5 of these beautiful long red carrots. First and foremost, I'm going to get all of these carrots peeled. Now I'm going to grate them with the finest side of my box grater. To make the Gajar Halwa, start by adding about 3 tablespoons of ghee in the pan. When the ghee completely melts and becomes hot, add about a quarter cup of chopped cashews. Saute the cashews till they become slightly brown and then add the grated carrots. Thoroughly mix the grated carrots into the ghee. Keep mixing and turning the carrots as you cook them on low heat. Cook till the carrots lose their raw smell and start changing color. When the carrots become fragrant from being roasted in the ghee, cover and steam the carrots for about 3 to 4 minutes. When done, give them a quick stir and add 2 tablespoons of milk cream. This is the cream that forms on top of whole milk when boiled. If you don't collect this cream at home, you could use 2 to 3 tablespoons of regular whipping cream. Thoroughly mix in the cream and then add 1 cup of whole milk. Mix in the milk till it completely disappears into the carrots and then add another half a cup of milk. Cook the carrots in the milk till the milk completely evaporates. When the mixture becomes nice and thick, add 3/4 cup of sugar. As you mix in the sugar, you'll notice that the mixture starts to loosen up a little bit. Keep mixing till the sugar completely dissolves. You know, I consider myself lucky that I grew up eating my mom's Gajar Halwa. And I still believe that no one makes better Gajar Halwa than my mom. But hey, I try. When the sugar is thoroughly mixed in, give this a taste and add more sugar if required according to the sweetness you prefer. Now mix in a handful of raisins. Finally, we'll add a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. Keep mixing and cook the Gajar Halwa till it becomes thick and a little sticky to touch. And there it is. Our beautiful Gajar Halwa is ready to devour. Alright, time to taste this garma garam Gajar Ka Halwa. This halwa tastes divine. So what are you waiting for? Make this Gajar Halwa today while these carrots are still in season. And when you make it, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Mustard Tempered Dreams. See you next time.